Dear students, just now I have uploaded natural nuclear time and level width and also mean lifetime. Now we would like to discuss excitation energy in the compound nucleus theory proposed by the great scientist Niels Bohr. Excitation energy is required for a particle or a nuclide to come out of a nucleus when an incident particle is interacted with a target nucleus. As you know, when an incident particle is interacted or bombarded with a target nucleus, immediately compound nucleus is formed. An incident particle makes certain amount of energy that is known as excitation energy when it enters the target nucleus. Now we need to determine the excitation energy made by an incident particle by means of a momentum. The moment of an incident particle before collision is equal to the moment of an incident particle after collision. Therefore, now you see the equation. Therefore, mxvx is equal to mcn vcn, where mx is equal to mass of an incident particle, vx is equal to speed of an incident particle, mcn is equal to mass of compound nucleus, vcn is equal to speed of compound nucleus. Now do you understand I mean? From this equation number 1, that is mx vx is equal to mcn vcn, then you have vcn, which is called speed of a compound nucleus, is equal to small mx into small vx divided by capital mcn. Now the excitation energy by an incident particle given by E dash x is equal to half mx vx square minus half capital MCN capital VCN square. Now the excitation energy E dash x is equal to half mx vx square minus half capital MCN. Then here VCN is equal to mx Vx by MCN. Substituted the value of VCN into this equation. Then you have E dash x is equal to half mx Vx square into 1 minus mx by MCN. That is equal to Ex into MCN minus mx divided by MCN. Now E dash x is equal to Ex into mx plus mx minus mx divided by mx plus small mx, where MCN is equal to the mass of target nucleus and the mass of an incident particle. Then small mx is cancelled. Therefore, E dash x is equal to Ex into capital MX divided by capital MX plus small mx, where capital MX is equal to mass of target nucleus, small mx is equal to mass of an instant particle, Ex is equal to the kinetic energy, which is equal to half mx Vx square. Now you know Vx is small vx is equal to speed of an incident particle, small mx is equal to mass of an incident particle. Therefore, this is excitation energy E dash x is equal to Ex into capital Mx divided by Mx plus Mx. This is about excitation energy. As we already discussed the excitation energy, why it is required. Thank you. Compound nucleus theory completed. Compound nuclear theory is completed.